How to remove I'm not a robot on Google Chrome. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete and I'm back with new video. And on today's video, I will show you how we can remove I'm not a robot on Google Chrome. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Chrome in your device. Now once you have opened it up, navigate to three dots icon on your top right corner and click on it. From this drop down menu, you have to click on Settings. Now under Settings, again navigate to your left hand side and click on Privacy and Security. And under Privacy and Security, first of all, click on third-party cookies, and from here you have to allow third-party cookies. After you're done with that, again you have to get back to Privacy and Security, and from here you have to go to Site Settings. Now you have to choose any of the sites according to your preferences. Once you have done that, now go to the location and click on this drop down box. From here you have to go to Allow, and once you have done that, now you have removed I'm not a robot from your Google Chrome. So that's the way how you can do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.